Hello, this is Luis from Instyle Auto. Today we have an Axis double DIN CD DVD player. It plays DVDs. It's a very good quality Axis with 2 years warranty, high definition touchscreen. This is the DVD. Radio, very good reception. AM, FM, Bluetooth, make to receive phone calls, play the music from your phone. You get all your contacts synchronized. You can also stream music through your phone. It also has Android Auto. This is only for Android phones. Mirror link for Android phones. An extra AV input, SD card, a USB. You get a USB, and also rear camera optional. This doesn't have the reverse camera fitted. And that's it. For sales and installations, please call Luis from Instyle Auto on 0404897027. We have installers in Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Towoomba, Sydney metro areas, Melbourne metro areas, and also Adelaide metro areas. Thank you. See you next time.